Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Pearson, your elementary ELL teacher. Today, our lesson is going to focus on the vocabulary review sentences for second grade journeys, lesson 8. And our anchor text is Superstorms by Seymour Simon. For this lesson, you will need a pencil and a piece of paper, and you're going to write your numbers 1 to 16. Or your teacher might have given you this worksheet that has the numbers 1 through 16 and the sentences already written on them. So if you don't have these right now, push pause, get your materials, and then when you're ready to join me, push play. Here's our learning target. Repeat after me. I can use pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence. Success criteria. That means how will you know you're successful at using pictures and context clues to choose and fill in the word that best fits each sentence? Well, here are our steps to success. It says, I will, step 1. Number 1, read each sentence or group of words. 2, I will choose the vocabulary word that best fits each sentence. 3, write the correct word on my whiteboard or paper. So you don't need to write these words. We're just going to review them first. A is beware. B is damage. C, bend. D, flash. E, pounding. F, prevent. G, reach. H, equal. All right, now we're going to start writing our words. Number 1, there was a big blank of lightning in the night sky. There was a big blank of lightning in the night sky. Would it be there was a big beware of lightning? Or there was a big damage of lightning? There was a big bend of lightning? Or there was a big flash of lightning? What makes the most sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence? Flash. So for number 1, write flash. F-L-A-S-H. Flash. There was a big flash of lightning in the night sky. And if I go too fast, push pause, write your word, and then push play to rejoin the lesson. Number 2, my heart was blank during the roller coaster ride. My heart was pounding during the roller coaster ride. My heart was prevent during the roller coaster ride. My heart was reach during the roller coaster ride. My heart was equal during the roller coaster ride. What makes the most sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence? My heart was pounding during the roller coaster ride. My heart was pounding, P-O-U-N-D-I-N-G, pounding. My heart was pounding during the roller coaster ride. Number 3, blank of the bears along the path. So there's a sign that says caution, blank of the bears along the path. So would it be beware of the bears along the path? Or would it be damage of the bears along the path? Bend of the bears along the path? Or flash of the bears along the path? What makes the most sense given the picture clues and where the word is in the sentence? Beware. So make sure you write a capital B because it's the first word in our sentence. Beware. Capital B, E-W-A-R-E. Beware. Beware of the bears along the path. Number 4, it was hard to blank the candy on the top shelf. It was hard to pounding the candy on the top shelf. Whoops, I already gave it to you. It was hard to prevent the candy on the top shelf. It was hard to reach the candy on the top shelf, or it was hard to equal the candy on the top shelf. Well, if you noticed, I accidentally gave you the answer early. It was hard to reach, R-E-A-C-H. It was hard to reach the candy on the top shelf. Reach. Number 5, the hurricane caused a lot of blank to the town. The hurricane caused a lot of beware to the town. The hurricane caused a lot of damage to the town. The hurricane caused a lot of bend to the town, or the hurricane caused a lot of flash to the town. What makes the most sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence? Damage, D-A-M-A-G-E, damage. The hurricane caused a lot of damage to the town. You see the damage in the pictures, just like the picture next to our vocabulary word. Number 6, 5 plus 5 is blank to 10. 5 plus 5 is pounding to 10. 5 plus 5 is prevent to 10. 5 plus 5 is reach to 10. Or 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. What makes the best sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence? Equal, E-Q-U-A-L. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. They are the same. 5 and 5 is 10, and 10 is 10. Equal. Number 7, palm trees blank in the raging wind. Palm trees beware in the raging wind. Palm trees damage in the raging wind. Palm trees bend in the raging wind, or palm trees flash in the raging wind. What makes sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence? Bend. Palm trees bend in the raging wind. B-E-N-D, bend. Palm trees bend in the raging wind. They have to, or they would not survive. Number 8, the giant waves were blank onto the beach. The giant waves were blank onto the beach. The giant waves were pounding onto the beach. The giant waves were prevent onto the beach. The giant waves were reach onto the beach, or the giant waves were equal onto the beach. Pounding. The giant waves were pounding or crashing or hitting the beach. P-O-U-N-D-I-N-G, pounding. The giant waves were pounding onto the beach. Number 9, the tornado caused a lot of blank to the house. The tornado caused a lot of beware to the house. The tornado caused a lot of damage to the house. The tornado caused a lot of bend to the house. The tornado caused a lot of flash to the house. Damage. The tornado caused a lot of damage to the house. D-A-M-A-G-E, damage. The tornado caused a lot of damage to the house. Number 10, brushing your teeth can blank cavities. And look, the dog knows that. He's helping his friend brush his teeth. Brushing your teeth can blank cavities. Brushing your teeth can pounding cavities. Brushing your teeth can prevent cavities. Brushing your teeth can reach cavities, or brushing your teeth can equal cavities. Prevent, P-R-E-V-E-N-T, prevent. Brushing your teeth can prevent cavities or stop cavities. Number 11. What is a synonym, the same or similar for burst, shine, or flare? So a sun has flares or bursts. And the sun also shines. So what is a synonym, the same or similar for burst, shine, or flare? Would it be beware, damage, bend, or flash? What is the similar word? Flash, F-L-A-S-H, flash. Number 12, what is an antonym, which means the opposite, for to miss, skip over, or avoid? So what's the opposite of missing or skipping over or avoiding? Would it be pounding, prevent, reach, or equal? It would be reach because you actually got it. You got to it. You hit the mark. You were able to get it. Reach. That's the opposite of skip over, miss, or avoid. R-E-A-C-H, reach. "13. Blank of the steep hill ahead. Blank of the steep hill ahead. Would it be beware of the steep hill ahead? Damage of the steep hill ahead? Bend of the steep hill ahead? Or flash of the steep hill ahead? It would be beware, and make sure you make a capital. So be aware or beware. Beware of the steep hill ahead. Capital B, lowercase e, W-A-R-E. Beware of the steep hill ahead. 14. To put on sunscreen, I put on sunscreen to blank a sunburn. This man has a funny way of putting sunscreen on. I put on sunscreen to blank a sunburn. I put on sunscreen to pounding a sunburn. I put on sunscreen to prevent a sunburn. I put on sunscreen to reach a sunburn. Or I put on sunscreen to equal a sunburn. Prevent. You want to prevent a sunburn. I put on sunscreen to prevent a sunburn. P-R-E-V-E-N-T. Prevent. To keep from having to get a sunburn, you put on sunscreen. Number 15, he had to blank over to get the pencil case off the floor. He had to blank over to get the pencil case off the floor. He had to beware over. He had to damage over. He had to bend over, or he had to flash over. It would be bend. He had to bend over to get the pencil case off the floor. He had to bend over, B-E-N-D, bend over to get the pencil case off the floor. Last one. What addition problems are blank to 6? What addition problems are blank to 6? What addition problems are pounding to 6? What addition problems are prevent to 6? What addition problems are reach to 6? Or what addition problems are equal to 6? Equal. If you notice, those are number bonds. The total is 6, and the two smaller numbers or bonds that equal to 6, we don't know. You could be 6 plus 0, 5 plus 1. They are all equal to 6. All right, let's check your work. This is your time to check your work. Number 1, flash. Number 2, pounding. Number 3, beware. Number 4, reach. Number 5, damage. Number 6, equal. Number 7, bend. Number 8, pounding. If you need to change or correct any of these, push pause. Make your changes. Then when you're ready to join us, push play. Number 9, damage. Number 10, prevent. Number 11, flash. Number 12, reach. Number 13, beware. Number 14, prevent. Number 15, bend. Number 16, equal. And again, if you need to make any changes for 9, 10, 11, all the way to 16, push pause, make your changes, and then press play. Nice work. You have mastered your vocabulary words. On the top of your paper, I want you to reflect on your learning target. I can use pictures and context clues to help me understand and use important words from the text Superstorms. Would you give yourself a 4? I could teach this lesson. I easily selected all the correct vocabulary. Whoops, sorry, it went too fast. I could teach this lesson. I easily selected all the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. 2, 3, I was able to select most of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. 2, I was able to select some of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Or 1, I was not able to select any of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. How do you think you did? 4, 3, 2, or 1? Thank you, boys and girls, for reviewing the vocabulary with me. Have a great day.